Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Myself Pramod Kumar, your computer teacher. Today we will discuss lesson 6, Introduction to HTML exercise. First one, after completion of exercise, understands point at glance of this lesson. HTML is the most widely used language to design web contents for the internet. HTML is the most widely used language to design web contents for the internet. It's through HTML design website and web pages. Second, HTML is an improved version of Standard Generalized Markup Language (SGML). HTML is an improved version of HTML. Next point, a tag is a piece of code which acts as a label that web browser interprets. Tag is a piece of code which acts as a label that web browser interprets. Next, tags are of two types, container and empty. Next point, for element is used to change the size, font style, color of the text on the web page. Let's now fill in the blanks. First, dash tag break the line and display the text from the next line. Use BR tags. Here given the option, you select and fill in the blanks. BR tag. BR tag break the line and display the text from the next line. Question number second, there are dash heading level in HTML. There are 6 heading level in HTML, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Question number 3, dash tag is used to start a new paragraph. So tag P is used to start a new paragraph. Question number 4, dash attributes of the paragraph tag is used to align the paragraph right side. The correct option is P align. P align equal to right. Attributes of the paragraph tag is used to align the paragraph right side. Question number 5. Dash tag is used to change the background color of the web page. Correct option is body BG color. Body BG color tag is used to change the background color of the web page. Question number 6. Dash is the extension of HTML document. Correct option you fill .html. .html is the extension of HTML document. If you write on Notepad, then you use .html. Otherwise, when you write on WordPad, then you use .html extension. Question number 7. The closing tab include a dash slash. You fill forward slash. For closing tag include forward slash. Question number 8. Tags are also known as dash. Tags are also known as elements. Tags are also known as elements. Question number B. State true or false. First question, the BR has corresponding closing tag. False. Because this statement is false, because BR tag is a empty tag. So empty tag have no any closing, only starting tag. Question number 2. The title tag is given inside the body tag. This statement is also false because title tag is given within the head tag, not a body, so this statement is false. Question number 3. Top margin attribute is given in the body tag to set the text of a web page away from the top margin. Yes, this statement is true. In a body tag, you can give a top margin from the top portion, title portion. So this statement is true. Question number 4. There are 4 heading labels available in HTML. This statement is false. There are 6 heading labels available in HTML. Question number 5. The syntax to change the font color equal to color name या color code. This statement is false. Question number 6. Empty element has both on and off tag. This statement is false. Empty tag has only on tag, not off tag. So this statement is false. Question number 7. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This statement is true because the full form of HTML Hypertext Markup Language. Question number 8. An HTML file can be saved with any extension. This statement is false because when you are write on Notepad HTML document, then you are type extension .html, and when you are write on WordPad, then you are write .html. See, application based question. Question number first. Rasmi has made a web page using HTML. She has saved this file as text document but cannot view it through the browser. Help her to rectify the error. So Rasmi create error. Rasmi has saved HTML file with .html extension. Then she can view through the browser. So answer is Rasmi has saved HTML file with .html extension. Question number 2. Bharti wants to set the background color for the HTML document. Which tag would you suggest to us in order to accomplish this task? Background color use body bg color equal to color name या color code. Use this syntax to perform this task. Question number 3. Shima has created a project in HTML. She wants to show each sentence of her project from a new line. Suggest to her the tag which she can use to perform this task. She can perform this task by using BR tag. Through BR tag, Ashima write each sentence in a new line. And a multiple choice question. So first, dash element is used to emphasize the text. Option A underline, option B bold, option C italic. Correct option is bold. Bold element is used to emphasize the text. Question number 2. Dash tag break the line and display the text from the next line. Option BG, option B BR, option C BK. Correct option is BR. BR tag breaks the line and display the text from the outline. Next line. Question number 3. Dash tag are the types 1, 2 or 3. Correct option is 2. Tags are 2 types. Question number 4. Question number 4. Font style tags are also known as dash, physical markup, hyperlink या physical markup. Correct option is C, physical markup. Question 5. HTML is improved version of dash, HTML, HTML, HTTP. Correct option is HTML, standard. Correct option A. Hopefully you understand all exercise of this video. If you face any problem, call me my number 8840156170. Thank you.